Here we are at the historic Italian Village restaurant. This place means a lot to me. I remember the day the lead came in through the website. I actually brought my wife here for a date before we even got married and had our 3 children. I have personal, incredible memories here. Me with 10 of my friends, we all were here celebrating after we went and saw the Book of Mormon at play down the street. We're in the theater district right now in historic Chicago. What's so amazing about this place and this family, it is operated currently by 4th generation. Jonathan Cappellini and his family are incredible human beings, and it has not 1, not 2, but 3 stories with each a different Italian cuisine. We're gonna come explore the security system umbrella put in. Come with me.
In hospitality, experience comes first. Security has to exist quietly in the background, protecting people, property, and history without ever interrupting the atmosphere.
So here we're on the 2nd level, and we have several cameras here in the kitchen. Cleanliness and having food chain of custody is incredibly important. Also, there's varying degrees of temperature in kitchens like these. So if you look right up here, we have a camera that's been there for 3+ years, been working perfectly. And then we're gonna go down hall here at the other end of the kitchen. And we have here, I am getting hungry right now, and another camera on this side. And then we can go up to the other level.
Beyond dining spaces, the restaurant houses one of its most valuable assets, an extensive wine and spirits collection. Some bottles date back decades. Others are irreplaceable pieces of history. Protecting these spaces requires both precision and discretion.
So as you can see by looking around, each layer and each floor to this building is unique in and of itself. And aesthetics in the hospitality industry is number 1, security is number 2. So we had to bob and weave, duck and hide cable wherever we could. We're gonna go through the rest of the building and show the unique places where we had to retrofit security cameras.
Installing modern security in a century-old building presents unique challenges. Every decision must respect the architecture while delivering full coverage across 3 distinct floors. From kitchens to dining rooms, from wine storage to exterior access points, every camera was placed to maximize visibility while remaining virtually invisible to guests. Protecting a legacy like this means understanding that security isn't just about technology, it's about trust, history, and preserving experiences for generations to come.